Don't spend 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, 1 year, 3 years trying to figure out e-commerce, dude. By that time, just think about this. You would have wasted so much fucking money that you could have pocketed, that you could have used to buy a house, to buy investment properties, to retire your parents, to live the life that you want. And you have already wasted all those years and you can't get those years back. Education and implementing education and knowledge, it's what's going to make you a lot of money. Knowledge is power, guys. Stop trying to figure it out on your own, because it's gonna take you fucking years and you're gonna waste a lot of fucking time and it's gonna fucking suck. You're going to realize after 5 years you're not where you want to be. We're all on this earth for a purpose and we all have this life to live, and we should make the most out of this fucking life. And whatever our goals and dreams are, we should chase them and we should get after it, and we should know what to do to get after it. We should take action, because you got to understand that there is only one chance you have at this life. And when you're sitting on your deathbed and you realize, fuck, I didn't do this and I didn't do that, that's it. There is no fucking going back. You can't. You're done. That's it.